In order to become self-reliant in power generation and achieving energy transition towards clean energy, the central government has taken various measures. India is already on the path of sustainable development and is a pioneer in following the goals of 2015 Paris Agreement on climate change. India is already integrating the economy with sustainability, whether it's through solar power or green hydrogen. Know the relevance of ISA, International Solar Alliance. The ISA is an initiative that was launched by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the former President of France, François Hollande, in 2015 at the Paris. The overarching objective of the ISA is to collectively address the common challenges to scaling up of solar energy in ISA member countries. The idea for the One Sun, One World, One Grid initiative was put forth by the Prime Minister Modi at the first assembly of the International Solar Alliance in October 2018. ISA helps in deploying solar applications on a large scale and is now perceived as a key organization which works towards achieving the 2030 Sustainable Development Goals and objectives of the Paris Agreement on climate change. Let's know measures taken to achieve energy transition towards clean energy. India has set a target for installing 175 GW of renewable energy capacity, excluding large hydro, by the end of 2021-2022, which includes 100 GW from solar, 60 GW from wind, 10 GW from biomass and 5 GW from small hydro transition. To boost clean energy sector, various measures have been taken like tariff rationalization measures from bringing down hydropower tariff, phase-wise retirement of old polluting coal-based power plants, laying off new transmission lines and creating new substation capacity under the Green Energy Corridor scheme for evacuation of renewable power, setting up of ultra-mega renewable energy parks to provide land and transmission to RE developers on a plug-and-play basis, etc. To attain universal household electrification in the country, the Pradhan Mantri Sahaj Bijli Har Ghar Yojana Saubhagya focused on providing energy access to all by delivering last mile connectivity and connection to all remaining unelectrified houses in rural and urban areas. The release of electricity connections to household includes installation of an energy meter, wiring for a single light point with an LED bulb, and a mobile charging point, as well as the drawing of a service cable from the nearest pole to the household premise. Since the start of Saubhagya, 2.82 crore houses have been electrified, paving the way for green economy. Recognizing the importance of climate change and the need for a green economy, India stringently improvised policies on renewable energy and electric vehicles. India towards a solar energy focused economy. India's scripted history as it is the only country in the world to have an all-solar airport in Kerala's Kochi. India received praise on climate action. Not only this, but the UN also hailed India for taking the leadership role and demonstrating a strong commitment to combating climate change at a time when others are failing. Prime Minister Narendra Modi won the Champions of the Earth Award in 2018, where United Nations Chief Antonio Guterres heaped praise on him. That's all in today's segment. Thank you for watching us.